So the thing about our work is that it's about all seasons. And when you look at plastic and steel and rubber, this is something that's usually designed somewhere else. Obviously there was a catalog, you're following the catalog. You can't be on it when the sun's hot because it's too hot. You can't be on it when it's raining because it's too slippery. You can't be on it when it's winter because it's too cold and that makes it too slippery, or changes the impact rating of the surface. So which week are we allowed to, or what day are we allowed to actually use that thing where it's a benefit? We have to start to think about how kids actually play. And traditionally that would have been, before play structures were a thing, along the riparian buffers on the edge of the river. We have to start to reflect that in how we design. Change the topography, bring in boulders, add that sensory bit. And the best thing yet, we invite you to lick our play structures in the middle of winter if it's -20. Your tongue won't stick.